The Reset X form tool clears an object's scale and rotation transforms, baking them into the mesh so everything returns to a clean default state. It's great for fixing distorted transform or preparing assets for further editing. Let's take a look at how to use the tool. All right, so in my scene here, I have these two objects, and to help demonstrate, we have our troll here and we have this set of clothesline. Great. So now at the top left side here, we have our overlay. The tool icon that you want to look for is going to be the one towards the end, and it's going to be the Reset X form. So if you look at your object that you have, in the transforms here, you'll see the position, the rotation, and the scale. Now you'll see that the position is at 15, -2, -3, and we have a rotation at about 92. Now, what if we want to zero this out completely? Well, it's really easy with the tool here. All we have to do is select our game object, go up to the tool icon, and simply click Reset X Form. Once you click Reset X Form, you can actually select which you want to actually reset. So you can reset just the position, the rotation, or the scale. So I'll go ahead and do, say, just the position. Once we do just the position, you'll notice that all of those are going to be now zeroed out and our rotation is still at 92. So what that means is now if we move our guy and we say, oh, we want him back at the 0 position, his 0 position is based on where we decided that would be. And the same thing can actually be for rotation. So if we actually change it to 0 rotation, the rotation on this guy is actually over here, and that's not actually what we want. So what we're going to do is say we want this guy over here and we want the rotation to be zeroed out just like so. What I'll go ahead and do is go back to the reset tool and actually reset all. I'll hit reset all. And now you'll notice that everything is zeroed out and we can rotate everything right here in the spot just for this asset, just like that. And it makes it really easy. And we can do the same thing for any other object in the scene. So again, this object is this one, and here it is. We'll just go ahead and hit this button here, and we'll just go ahead and reset all, and everything is set exactly the way we want, including the scale. So now this object is perfectly where we need it to be. Well, that's the Reset X form. It's a fast way to clear out your unwanted transforms and return your mesh to a clean default state. It's a great prep set before modeling and exporting.